scrub on my skin. So let's see how it is. Are you still ashy in 2025? If you are, this is the video for you. And besides, we got the dollar store, so what are you doing? Come on, girl, come on. So today I wanted to share with you guys products that I've been using for many years, from my hair to down to my toe, that'll really keep me moisturized. In 2025, we have no reason to be ashy, okay? I do have dry skin, especially on my feet. So I really have to be on it, okay? Because I don't want white stuff. I don't want, ashy elbows and stuff like that. So let's get started. All right, because nobody wants chapped lips. It's Carmex and Aquaphor. Aquaphor is recent, and I'm telling you guys, this is a game changer. Like, it really, really helps with cracked lips, chapped, ashy lips. Carmex I've been using for years. It's decent, but I don't think it compares to Aquaphor. All right, the next thing is moisturizing your face. This is the moisturizer I've been using for about 2 years now. I found it on TikTok from this lady. And this is glycerin and rose water. It moisturizes, soothes your skin, and it can be used on your hair as well. And this is really great for anti-aging. So I've noticed that when I'm using it, I glow more. It keeps my skin tight. It calms my skin. And so this is my go-to, and I am not going back to anything else. All right, the next thing is this is a firming lotion. So these are really nice for keeping your skin toned, to help with like cellulite and stuff like that. So I use this. I've not been consistent with it, but I do know it makes a difference, like as far as how toned my skin looks. So this is great, like during the months before summer. I'll use this and massage my legs with it, the back areas where there's cellulite and stuff like that. And I've just noticed that my legs look tighter than normal when I use it. So this has been added to my my staples. All right, like I said, I have dry and crusty feet, and so I bought this, and this is pretty much what is it? Pretty much like a scrubber for your feet. You turn it on, and oh, it has powdery stuff on it, and you pretty much go around and just remove all the dead skin and the callus and stuff like that in the bottom of your feet. And then I will follow up with shea butter. Shea butter is my go-to for my feet. My feet are so dry that it needs something that can last all day and kind of like just, coats them so that they don't get dry later on. So I've been using that and doing that, and I've noticed a big difference in the skin on my feet, because nobody wants ashy feet, especially if you're wearing sandals. Come on, guys. Come on. All right. The next things are oils. Oils are a must. I use them after the shower, and or sometimes just on dry skin, especially in the summer when I'm wearing like shorts and skirts and I want my legs looking amazing. So I got these. This is the Amazon version of Vaseline cocoa gel oil. So this one, it smells good as well, and it works just the same. And then I have the aloe and vitamin E oil gel from Johnson & Johnson. And then I have Aveeno body oil body mist. So all these I switch, but I always make sure that I put the oil on my skin after a shower when my skin is damp. Or during summer, I just put them on my body to just have that shimmer. And I've noticed that. So another thing that I do is add this shimmer jelly stick. I've been using this for a really long time. As you guys can see, it's about to run out. Is this guy. This is Vaseline as well. The tag is missing. And I just like to put this like on the sides of my arms, the cleavage area, my legs, especially the bone that's on your leg right here. I just put it down and massage it in. And I'm telling you, your legs will look so amazing and even toned. Oh my gosh. Another thing that I do is once I get out of the shower, I used to have in-shower body lotion. This is Nivea Cocoa Butter one. And what I do is after showering my body wash, I would just put this on, rinse it, and my skin would smell so amazing and yummy and soft. So I need to get another one because this was really, really nice. Okay, body scrubs are a must. I've been using the Tree Hut one for a really, really, really long time. And it's my go-to. I've tried different scents, but it's always, every time I go back to it. So you take that, and I try to exfoliate my skin at least twice a week. And I've noticed that it really keeps my skin soft and my elbows and knees and all that looking really nice. Okay. Another thing that I do is I don't use soaps too much. I usually use body washes because they really, really keep that moisture in. Make sure that you get the ones that always say hydrating, moisturizing, softening, and all that. So this is the one I'm currently using, but I switch. Just as long as it's moisturizing, I'll get it. They're usually at Walmart, really cheap. And the other game changer is, they call it an African sponge. But yeah, it's an exfoliate sponge pretty much. This baby right here is so amazing for exfoliating, and it bubbles up so much. You need to get it. Okay, moisturizers. Oh, and body butters are a must, okay? This is my favorite one so far. I've been using this for a couple months now, and it's 72-hour moisture intense healing lotion. This baby right here keeps my skin moisturized throughout the day, and it keeps it silky. And then this is kind of the similar version of it from Walmart, and this is like $3. So I'm almost running out of this one as well, because I use this on my son's skin as well. This one, it does last throughout the day, so if you don't like a lot of scent bothering you, I wouldn't recommend this like maybe nighttime, because the smell kind of lasts, and also it's silky, so you can just feel really, really, really smooth. Oh, let me put some on my hands, because my hands are kind of looking a little bit dry there. Okay. The other thing that I have is coconut oil. Coconut oil, there's so many uses for it. I use it to brush my teeth and my son's teeth. I put it all over my skin, my hair, and everything like that. And I moved it from, you know, the other bottle that it came in, and melted it in here. So we just kind of squish it and go. But coconut oil is one of those oils that are so great. Sometimes when I'm just sitting there, I just massage it on my hands, because we want to have nice, smooth hands, and not aging hands. So that's that. The other thing is massaging your scalp and keeping it moisturized. I've noticed that the most hair growth has come from me scalp massaging with this. This mix has biotin oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and I think I put grapeseed oil in here, and sulfur 8. I mean, I'm telling you guys, this has really helped with growing my hair. Like, it's really helped. So I put all this in here, go in whenever I'm just kind of like sitting or whatever, and just really go in. Sometimes you turn your head down and then kind of go in and really, really just massage with the tips. Really massage, and I'm telling you, you're gonna notice a lot of hair growth with that. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. In 2025, we have no reason to be ashy, okay? And if you can't afford any of these products, you can easily go to the dollar store. They have similar products. And so yeah, you don't have a reason to be ashy in 2025. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.